Hey everybody, I'm Elena, and if you want to achieve the look that I created today, that as you can see is more toned down, more 2021 appropriate, if you want to see how I did it and the step-by-step process, just please keep on watching. My goodness, this feels weird after so long to sit here and film a tutorial kind of. So I have my mirror here, and first things first, because dark circles and allergies, I'm just gonna go ahead and apply Age Rewind by Maybelline. It's my tried and true. I use the color light. See, here's a little bit of sunburn, so that's what you're gonna do. And I'll use it as an eyeshadow primer also. Now that I look like a reverse raccoon, I'll just blend it in. And I'm doing concealer first because this way is gonna be more full coverage. Usually I apply concealer after the foundation or BB cream, but today I want more coverage, so this is the look that we're going after, actually. That being done, I'll take Rimmel Lasting Finish in the color Ivory 100, and this is a very good foundation, middle coverage. So now that the foundation is in place, I'm just going to go ahead and use the NYX HC powder in the color Banana, and I'll just set the concealer in place with the other side of the Real Techniques sponge. Okay, that is done. Next up, I'm gonna use Essence Make Me Brow, this eyebrow mascara in the color number 2, Brownie Brows, and given the fact that we're luckily moving away from the heavy eyebrows, I'll just comb my eyebrows in place with this eyebrow mascara. Just remove a little bit the excess from the tip. Just set them in place. And that's what you do in 2021. It's a more natural approach to makeup, and if I'm honest with you, I couldn't be happier. I prefer the more au naturel look rather than all chiseled, all contoured, all you name it. Now I was gonna go because I have brown eyes. I'm just gonna bring up the brown of my eyes today. So if you have brown eyes, you can bring them up using rusty colors or violet colors. And today I will take the coppery, and today I'll take the coppery route, I decided. So I have these two options, and still, I'm gonna go ahead and do this. So I'll take the Kat Von D Shade and Light palette. She is surprised that she's being used, actually, and I'll just take a flat shader brush, and I'll take this color in here and apply it all over my lid, from the brow bone to the eyelash line, all over the lid. Next up, I'll take a crease brush, and I'll use this orangey soda in here, and I'll just apply it. It's a thicker brush, and I'll just apply it on the crease of my lid. So we're defining the crease and windshield wiper motions. Now I will take a fluffier flat shader brush, and I'll use this warm brown from here and apply it very lightly on the mobile lid up until the crease. Tap, tap, tap. Now I know like this looks like a lot, but once it's all gonna be put in place, it's not gonna be that much. Now I'll take this eyeshadow. You can take any coppery eyeshadow that you have. This one is from Rimmel London, and the color is 06, Bronze Magnate. And I'll just take a pencil brush and apply this next to the lash line and bring it upwards. So I'll just apply it on my lash line like so, and now I'm gonna blend it upwards, just so it pops the brown in my eyes. Now I'm gonna go ahead and define the lower lash line, and for that I'll take this orangey color in here and apply it all over the lower lash line and connect it with the upper one, just like so. And with the Luxe crease, I'm gonna blend upwards all together, all the colors, just so we create this seamless effect. Now with my pinky finger, I'll take just a little bit of Wet n Wild Reserve Your Cabana bronzer. They claim it is a bronzer. I always say it's a highlighter, and I use it as such. And I'll just apply it here in the inner corner of my eye, just to add some light. And I will take this extra fancy Chanel liner in the color taupe. Now you don't need to be using this, just take any taupe eyeliner that you have and just line your inner rims, upper and lower line. But now that we got that down, I'll take the Maybelline Colossal Big Shot Mascara and I'll just go ahead and apply it in a standard way. Now I'm gonna go ahead and apply the Butter Bronzer, basically as a contour slash bronzer, so something very natural, not heavy at all. Always remember to bring it down the neck. I cannot emphasize that enough. Otherwise it looks weird, you guys. If your makeup ends up here, it looks so weird. Next up, I'll take the Milani in the color Luminoso, because I'm going with warmer tones today, and just apply it on my cheekbones in the upward motion, like so, and a little bit on the bridge of my nose. Next up, with a highlighter brush, I'll just apply Reserve Your Cabana by Wet n Wild, so like so. To set it all in place, I'll use the Make Up Forever HD powder in the color Translucent. I'll just take a fluffy brush. You guys, I don't know how many years I've had this brush, but it's my favorite one. And I'm never getting rid of it unless it gets ruined, and so far it's going on strong. Always circular upward motions. Now that we have this down, I'll just contour my lips with the color Desert Sand by Primark. Now if you don't have this, you can use any taupey. Now I use this because I truly love this color, and also it's €1.50, so. And always remember to follow your natural line, because if you overline, even though in camera might look great, in real life it looks so fake, so bad. So don't do it. I refrain to do it. And now instead of filling it in with the liner, I'll just take my ring finger and just so it's lighter coverage, not so dark, bring the liner, as you can see, in. This is my natural lip color. This is this color, so it's a tad darker but fairly similar. And last but not least, we're gonna take a clear gloss. Mine happens to be the Extra Lasting Lip Gloss by the brand Lovely, and we apply it all over the lips. So this is the end result, and as you can see, in 2021, heavy contouring, heavy makeup, heavy colors, really potent colors are not in trend. This is a summery, warmer look, but still toned down. I would have done another lighter look, but today I felt like it, just because you have to play also with the color of your eyes, and given the fact that my eyes are brown, this eyeshadow is really complementary, but it's, you can see it's nothing dramatic in here. Like when I look straight in the camera, you can see a little bit of the color, also you can see the lips. Obviously it's not natural, but it's a subtle, more neutral trend that we're going for, and I am all up for it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this look, and if you did, please give it a good thumbs up. Also, don't forget to click the subscribe button if you haven't already, and leave a comment down below. Let me know what you're thinking. In the meantime, I hope you're having a great day, and see you soon. Bye!